Hello, this is Will with GWA Auto. I'm here with the AA ignition front outer tie rod end. Our tie rod end is compatible with 2002 to 2006 Cadillac Escalade, 2002 to 2006 Chevrolet Avalanche, and many more. Please see the description for a complete list of compatible vehicles. Our new tie rod end is a heavy-duty replacement part. It has OEM attachment points. It has an improved mechanism for longevity. It comes with a castle nut, a new cotter pin, a nut for the other OEM attachment point, and a brand new Zerk fitting for lubrication. If you have loose steering, clicking or clunking noises, or even just uneven tire wear, you may need a new tie rod end. Thank you for checking out this part from GWA Auto.